Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we are going to learn engulfing pattern. So what is engulfing pattern? The engulfing pattern needs a two trading session to involve. Means to form an engulfing pattern we need two candle. Okay, so in an engulfing pattern a small candle on a day 1 and relatively a long candle on day 2 which appears as if it is engulfed the candle on day 1. Okay, so if the engulfing patterns appears at the bottom of the trade, then it is called bullish engulfing pattern. If the engulfing pattern appears at the top of the trend, then it's called bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so one by one we will see what is bullish engulfing pattern and second is bearish engulfing pattern. So what do you mean by bullish engulfing pattern? If the engulfing pattern appears at the bottom of the trend, okay, where first candle is red candle and second candle is bullish candle. Now, as shown in figure, on a day 2, we have a gap lower means the open of your second candle is lower than close of previous candle and close of bullish candle is higher than open of previous candle. Okay, so this is called a engulfing means second candle engulf a first candle means open and close of second candle, okay, is as shown in figure. Close of this candle is higher than open of previous candle and open of this candle is lower than close of previous candle. So this is called bullish engulfing pattern. Same way we have a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, same way, but the first candle is bullish and second candle is bearish means the open of the second candle, okay, is higher than close of previous candle and close of bearish candle is lower than open of previous candle. So your second candle will engulf the first candle. So first is green, second is red, okay, and it engulfs the pattern, then it is called engulfing pattern. Now we will see the trade setup for engulfing pattern. So entry means on the day of second trading session, trader can take entry by showing or by watching that the engulfing pattern forms. So trader can take entry on a day 2 candle. What is a stop loss? Stop loss is the lowest low between two candles. Okay, lowest low, not close low. Okay. Now, as shown in Sun Pharma daily basis chart, can you identify the bullish and bearish engulfing pattern in this chart? Okay, so this is your bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, where first is green candle, second is bearish candle, so further downtrend. Same way here, first candle is bearish, second is bullish candle, so this is now bullish engulfing and uptrend. Okay, so on a daily basis we can see in a Sun Pharma bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, now we are going to discuss two pattern or that is similar to your engulfing pattern. The first is Pising line pattern. Okay, so it is very similar to your bullish engulfing pattern with very minor variation. So what is variation? In bullish engulfing pattern, the day 2 green candle engulfs the day 1 red candle completely. However, in piercing pattern, day 2 green candle partially engulfs the day 1 red candle. Okay, however, the engulfing should be between 50% and less than 100%. Okay, so here we can see this bullish candle, your close is higher than a 50% of your bearish candle. Okay, so difference between your open minus close divided by 2, that is your 50%. Day 2 close is higher than 50%. Okay, so this is known as piercing line pattern. Now second is dark cloud cover pattern. In dark cloud cover pattern, it is same as your bearish engulfing pattern with minor variation. So as we know that in bearish engulfing pattern, the red candle on day 2 engulf the day 1 green candle completely. But however, in dark cloud cover, the day 2 red candle engulf about 50 to 100% of day 1 green candle. Okay, so as shown in figure, your close, okay, close, this is open, your close is below the 50% of your bullish candle. Okay, clear? So that's all about your engulfing pattern. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thanks.